Gonna have to wait. Okay, let the cooking begin.
Daddy?
What do you need, Bean?
I got it out.
You're gonna be okay. You want to help me make eggs in a poke?
I don't have.
Okay, first thing we gotta do
I need bacon.
is we're going to put our pokes in our bread. You gotta start with bread. One per person. Unless you got fat boys like me, then you might need two.
Daddy,
You cut out holes in the bread.
Bacon.
We're not having bacon, we're having sausages today. Okay, now let's move over our sausages. Oh yeah, the sausages are looking delish. We don't need to cover them anymore. We can take the cover off. Andrew, I need you to quit dying.
No, I'm coughing.
Okay, well, here we go. Put a little butter, or a lot of butter. Like I said earlier, fat is flavor. Whoa, making a mess. Watch out. Now you throw on the breads with the hole. Now here some people prefer to toast the bread on one side, flip it, and then add the egg. I personally
What are you talking about?
have changed the design to add the egg beforehand so the egg will seep into the bread and become part of it, which I like a lot. I like it when the egg and the bread become one in a cooking jamboree of deliciousness. Now, almost got all the eggs in place. Okay, there we go. Eggs are in place. Now we season to our liking. Don't forget your pokes. You want to cook your pokes too. Don't leave those out. And I wasn't pointing. There I am. There's the eggs in their pokes. I cracked them inside. There's the pokes. Now I'm going to put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper on each one, because it just adds to the flavor, the look, the yumminess of the whole situation. The pokes are your telltale sign of when to flip your eggs. You flip your pokes. If they're done on that side, it's time to flip the eggs. We're going to wait for a second. We have turned up. I have the temperature at 300 on this particular stove or frying pan. Each one's going to be different. But there's that. Pokes are your telltale sign of when to flip your eggs. Flip your pokes. If they're done on that side, it's time to. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and flip the eggs before our timer runs out. Oh, no, they're still not quite done enough underneath. I can't even demonstrate it properly yet. I apologize. Let's see what the poke's like. Oh, yeah, it needs to cook a little longer. Poke's just slightly toasted. Like me. Alright, looking good, looking good. Suppose I better taste the sausage. Ow, son. Biscuit eater, that's hot. Ow! That's hot. Watch out. Okay. Let these eggs be flippable now. Ooh, and see how that looks? A little egg inside of a little poke. That's what everybody wants. I could have cooked them each a little bit longer per side, but we're going to be okay. The children will still love it. Okay, ooh, doesn't that